What were the rules for women's duels? Have you ever wondered how women handled disputes in a time when dueling was a common practice? Women's duels, while not as frequent as men's, had their own set of rules and customs. These duels were often about defending a woman's honor or settling personal conflicts, usually sparked by jealousy or insults. The fascinating part is that the rules were modified from the traditional duel codes that governed men's dueling. The basic idea was similar to men's duels, where honor was at stake. However, the goal was rarely to kill. Instead, women aimed to draw first blood or demonstrate their bravery. These duels were sometimes referred to as petticoat duels. They could involve weapons like swords, sabers, or pistols, but the intent was often less lethal. When it came to rules and etiquette, women typically fought only until the first blood was drawn. This was due to social norms that dictated women should not be fatally harmed. Just like in male duels, seconds were present to help arrange the duel and mediate if necessary. These assistants played a crucial role in trying to reconcile the parties before the fight began. The duels followed codes similar to the Code Duello, which was a formal set of rules for honor dueling. These codes outline the weapons to be used, the distance between the duelists, and the expected conduct during the duel. Interestingly, women sometimes used the weapons of their husbands or male relatives, such as cavalry sabers. A notable example is the 1829 duel between Olga Zavarova and Ekaterina Polesova. These duels often took place in public or semi-public settings, with family members or witnesses present. The social implications were significant. Women's duels were often triggered by rivalries, jealousy over men, or insults to their reputation. In some regions, while dueling was outlawed or restricted, rulers like Catherine the Great allowed women's dueling but insisted it be limited to first blood only. These duels were viewed as unusual or eccentric, making them stand out as some of the weirdest and wackiest legal and social practices in history. They provided women a way to assert their honor and social standing in a male-dominated culture. Instead of resorting to gossip or social ostracism, women had a formalized outlet for resolving conflicts. Despite their rarity, women's duels reveal how dueling culture persisted beyond men. They highlight the ways legal and social codes adapted to include women in this unique form of conflict resolution. So, while women's duels may not have been as common, they certainly representing an intriguing chapter in the history of duel codes and forgotten ordinances.